Hello everyone, it's just a dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing on the SanDisk Professional G-Raid mirror. This is the 16 terabyte version. So here's everything that comes in the box. We do get this USB-C to USB-C cable, 40G. We get this power adapter. Now the power adapter, you can plug it into 100 to 240 volts, 50 or 60 hertz. Output is 19 volts, 4.74 amps. Now this power cord is 6 feet long and this is 3 feet long. So you're going to plug this in right here. And on the back side here, let's take a look. So here's where we're going to plug the 19 volts DC in. We have a power switch, LED light. We can adjust the brightness, turn the RAID on or off for 1 or 2. And here's how the data transfer occurs with the USB-C port. So again, you're going to plug it in here and then you're going to turn it on. It looks like it has a fan on the back. These little rubber feet on the back. And there also is another port on the front. So that's a Pro Blade port on the front. Now it doesn't come with this, but this is a 1 terabyte Pro Blade that you can push in and out to help transfer data. As you can see, when it's all the way in, it just pushes in. It sticks out a little bit. Let's do measurements. That thing is really heavy. 5 1/4, 4 inches, and front to back, 8 1/4 inches. I hope this unboxing video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.